Residents throughout the Hicksville Water District have been asking questions about 1,4-dioxane and what it means for their drinking water supply.
So the way I understand 1,4-dioxane, it's a chemical that's used to stabilize different products. It's found both in cosmetics. It's found in the aircraft industry, solvents, more or less along the industrial line type chemicals. As soon as we found out that we had 1,4-dioxane in our wells, based on the testing that we had to do, the well was immediately taken offline. It was put into what we call a reserve status. Reserve status allows us to keep the capacity in case we need to run the wells. But as of now, and probably over the last 18 months, we have not used the well.
We've petitioned the EPA to give us some guidance, better guidance, and the DEC, all state, local regulators and federal regulators, as to how we are to handle this.
So at this point, it's what they would call a state regulation and not a federal regulation. So they've set a state standard of 50 microliters. And at this point, we're below that. We've been below that.
Working with local, state, and federal partners, the district has taken proactive steps to ensure the water supply is and continues to be safe to drink.
We were below the standards for unregulated contaminants, so we did not have to shut it off, but we know the consumer does not want to see these type of contaminants in their water.
We still believe we want to make sure that it's not something that is in our water supply, and until we can find out how we get it out of the water supply, we'll continue to do different treatment options.
The water meets and exceeds all state and federal guidelines, and it's perfectly safe to drink. We would not, as responsible purveyors of water, put water out that wasn't safe to drink.
Me being one of the 3 water commissioners, we all live in the district. We all drink the tap water.
We regulate, we sample for over 180 contaminants. Of the 180 contaminants before we put it out into the system. So it's absolutely safe to drink.
Customers of the Hicksville Water District should rest assured. For more information, please visit hicksvillewater.org.